In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add questions in the forms in Zoho People. To begin, make sure you are signed in to your Zoho People account and you are on the main dashboard. The goal here is to add a new question to an existing form, which is done by customizing the form layout. First, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. This area is where you manage system-wide options, including how your forms are designed and what fields they contain. Once you are in Settings, look for the Customization section. In that section, select Forms and tab. This opens the area where Zoho People lets you edit forms and control what information is collected, displayed, or required for your process. Now you will see a list of available forms. Click the form name that you want to update. After you open the form, you will be in the form editor, where you can add new fields. On the left side, there is a panel with different field types. These field types are the building blocks for questions, like single-line text, multi-line text, drop-downs, date fields, and more. Choose the field type that matches the kind of answer you want to collect. Then drag that field from the left panel onto the form where you want it to appear. Take a moment to place it in a logical spot so the form stays easy to read and complete. After you drop the field onto the form, a pop-up window will appear. Here, enter the question field name. This is the label people will see when they fill out the form, so keep it clear and specific. Use simple wording that matches your internal terminology, and avoid vague labels so there is no confusion later. When you are done entering the name, click Done to confirm the field. Finally, go to the top right and click Save. Saving is important because it applies the change to the live form. If you navigate away without saving, your new question will not be added. Once it is saved, your new question field is now part of the form and ready to use. That covers everything you need to know.